In response to all the questions I keep getting about my bow, know that I carry my bow wherever I go. In a poster tube, compact, it will stow, with aluminum arrows, a handle and limbs, gloves and hardware until the session begins. To save some cash, I look onto trash. With a pragmatic eye, I spy the next can to die. It is here, don't you see? Not so costly, but free. A target for then and for now, for tomorrow, and it's loud. Like shooting boomsticks, slinging lead with a bang at steel plates. This tin gives a ring when it's hit. But wait, a bow does not vociferate. This is great. When the shy arrow flies, it is a mute piercing the sky. Do you see why? Now do you see why? A bow you must make or buy. Save the gunpowder, put your shot on the shelf. Why play with guns when you can have the fun of something else? Something ancient, something stealth. Sure, you could put a can on that bore, but it will still sound as loud as a snore. But an arrow in flight is as soundless as a still night. But if power is your wish, then you don't need a bow. You need a gat, a gun, a piece, and a show of force with parades, tanks in tow. You need thousands of men, rank and file, ready to go. You need bombers, you need planes, you need jeeps, you need aims to wipe out the enemy with indemnity, much like the historical killing of the Indian on the grass plains. Mao Zedong said political power grows out of a gun. To kill with them is easy, to give them up is no fun. And firepower to firepower, we all want the equalizer, that device that doles out death. It's neither right nor left. It's the human desire to cover up fear with power, not the power to save a life, but to take it, a power to fight, a power to ward off a tyrant, to make someone compliant, to terrorize the innocent, to neutralize the assailant, trigger pull, bang, boom, perforation, and death. Wouldn't you know that my bow is peaceful yet? Yet, would you want to bet that the bow cannot kill? It can. It takes game, and in the rain, it takes skill. The bow is better than the gun in many ways, I say. Like Billy Millen, who on D-Day with his bagpipes he did play. My bow is an instrument to keep me out of harm's way. In the right circumstances, and on a given day, it is all I need to take my prey.